Olá a todos! I am here again to share exciting news about another Portuguese series that recently premiered on Netflix. You know how I am a big fan of recommending TV shows to my followers. This show is called Até que a Vida nos Separe, Until Life Does Us Part, and it was entirely produced in Portugal with a licensing agreement for worldwide distribution in 198 countries, including the United States. If you enjoy my content, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Also, consider being my patron on Patreon. You can also join my March book club and let's read together O Conto da Ilha Desconhecida by José Saramago. E agora, vamos começar! Até que a Vida nos Separe is the first Portuguese show co-produced by RTP, the public Portuguese TV station, with a Portuguese cast and a Portuguese director, Manuel Pureza, acquired by Netflix. It has 8 episodes, each about 40 minutes. This Portuguese drama promises to be different, since the title seems to be the inversion of the legendary sentence, "Till death does us part." It also has bits of comedy as it goes. Netflix's official description says, 3 generations of a family living together in an idyllic villa juggle the demands of their wedding planning business and their own personal crisis. I am currently watching the show and I think it's a great series so far. I really believe the pace of the show is great for learners since most dialogues are not at a fast pace. It's also a great exposure to the Portuguese culture and how families in Portugal are so close. Remember that this is the second Portuguese show with worldwide distribution. I recently made a video about the series Glória, which is a great spy series that dates back to the 60s in Portugal. The advantage of Até que a Vida nos Separe is that it represents the current time in Portugal. Some of my followers found Glória a bit violent, and in this show you won't have this issue. Also, this show is all spoken in Portuguese, while Glória had some bits in Russian and English. In the main roles, you will find different generations of Portuguese actors. Depending on your level, take your time watching the show. Use the subtitle tools to support your learning if needed. It seems that depending on the country you are, the subtitle options might be different. In the US, you can choose to follow the Portuguese audio with English subtitles. If you live in Portugal, Portuguese films, mostly comedies, are also available on Netflix, namely A Canção de Lisboa, by Pedro Varela, O Pátio das Cantigas, by Leonel Vieira, and Virados do Avesso, by Edgar Pera. Let's hope Netflix is able to make this content available worldwide. It would help immensely European Portuguese students around the world to be exposed to the language and culture. Remember that we have 2 other videos about Portuguese shows on RTP Play and Disney+. So if you are looking for content, make sure to check those out as well. I hope you will try watching a Portuguese show. You have no excuses now. If you struggle with oral comprehension, watching TV will help you improve your listening skills. While watching the shows, remember you can stop and take notes. Share them with your teacher. Identify expressions that you listen often and learn in what contexts they are being used. If you enjoyed my video, leave me a like and a comment. Share with me what shows you are watching and what are your learning strategies. Até a próxima!